It is way too early to be getting up going to car shows. Well, let's do it.
What's going on, guys? You guys thought we were going to a car show? We're at a boat show. I'm just kidding, guys. We're actually at a car show down here at the Embarcadero, I believe it's called. Got a bunch of really cool cars out here. Of course, you got the little vendor set up right here with all my detailing stuff. Got the little booth set up right here. Of course, we got the beautiful ACR Viper out here. All right, guys, you know, enough of this. Let's go look at some cool cars. All right, guys, hanging out here, showing off the Viper to a couple guys. These guys over here, you guys want to hear this thing or what?
Oh yeah, dude.
You guys sure you want to hear it?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, all right, we'll fire it up for you guys.
All right.
I want to go back into the water.
The exhaust comes out the side. Well.
I think they like it.
Definitely.
I think I like it too. Good chance.
Well, thanks for checking it out, you guys.
Yeah, thanks for showing us, man.
Sure. Have a good one.
You too.
All right, guys, wrapping up the day out here in beautiful San Diego. Another beautiful day out here. Wrapping up the car show, and before we decided to wrap it up, we decided to get a couple cars out here. We got my beautiful Viper and my dad's old 71 GT over there, which he happens to be the original owner of. Any of you guys interested or curious? Anyways, guys, we're gonna do a couple nice beautiful shots over here, get some nice pictures. We got downtown San Diego back over there. We got the Coronado Bridge over there. So we got the bay. Very, very nice. So that's all I got for you guys today. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a big old thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.